Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today we are tackling the big question. Did Bitcoin's decline just end, or should we be panicking? Let us dive into the analysis. Bitcoin is currently at 58,000, recovering from today's 56,000 drop. There are critical levels we are watching that could signal a deeper drop. September lows typically hit mid-month. Historically, only in 2012 and 2016 did lows occur before September 4th. We are still early for the quad witching, suggesting caution. Nasdaq's pullback correlates with Bitcoin's drop. Watch 18,686 as a key level. A break could mean further declines for both. Bitcoin's critical level is 53,300. Below this, expect a retest of August lows, signaling a significant breakdown. Daily, 2-day, and 5-day momentum are all down. A close below 60,000 today could confirm more downside, aligning with our seasonal analysis. Stay defensive with Bitcoin, potentially finding support at 55,300. Traditional markets suggest caution. 12 hours ago, Bitcoin dumped to 55,602. But within 3 hours, our wave trend indicator showed a bullish divergence, and the RSI hit an oversold 21.8. If you entered a long position then, you would have seen a plus 3.41% gain within 13 hours. We bounced after breaking the red trend line from the Japan carry trade top, beautifully rebounding from our blue horizontal line at 55,633. On the 1, 2, 3, and 4-hour charts, we have got a green dot indicating bullish sentiment. However, the 12-hour and daily charts still need to print a reversal green dot for a confirmed uptrend. Solana and Ethereum follow similar patterns, with Ethereum looking weaker. Any reversal might start with Bitcoin or Solana. That's it for today. Leave a like, click the bell, and subscribe if you want to keep up with the market. And see you in the next one.